Good morning, students. Welcome to Mahila Samaj online classes. Today we are going to see before and after. This is a continuation class. Last class we have studied numbers 1 to 9, then introduction to 0. Now 2.3 before and after. Before and after. Okay. Here, what do you mean by before and after, children? What do you mean by before? Before. What are other name of the before? In front, earlier, previous. Okay. After means afterwards, next, later. Okay. Now we are going to see. Think of the process of the counting forward and backward. Forward and backward. We have to see counting the numbers. Okay. Numbers forward and backward. When we count forward from a given number, we get the number after. Okay. When we count forward from a given number, we get the number after. The number that comes after are always greater than the given number. Always that what they have given, the number that comes after a always greater than the given number. For example, they have given here numbers 0 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Here 3. 3 comes after 2. Look here, children. 3 comes after 2. And 7. Where is the 7? It's here. 7 comes after 6. After 6 only 7 will come. And after 2 only 3 will come. Okay. Like that. After this one. Example for after. Okay. Next, when we count backward from the given number, we get the number before. When we count the backward from the given number, we get the number before. The number that comes before are always smaller than the given number. They are smaller than the given number. What they have given? That are smaller. For example, they have given number 0 to 9. Okay, 0 to 9 they have given. In this, 2 comes before 3. 2 comes before 3. Okay, this is before 3. And 6 comes before 7. 6 is here and 7 is here. 6 comes before 7. Okay. Then after you have an activity. Okay. For this example you have to do by yourself in textbook. Okay. Write the number that comes before and give the numbers and the number that comes after it. Okay. For they have given first. They did first. They only did 1. They have given. You have to write the before. 1 before what comes? 0. And 1 after what comes? What number will come? 2. They have given here. Okay. 1 before 0. 1 after 2. Here they have given 5. You have to write 5 before what comes? Before 4. And 5 after 6. Like that you have to do these, children. For everything one by one you have to do in your textbook. 4 before what comes? 3. 4 after 5. Next 7 before 6. 7 after 8. Next 1 before what comes? 1 before 0. 1 after 2. Next 3. They have given 3. 3 before what comes? 2. 3 after 4. Next 8. They have given 8. 8 before 7. 8 after 9. You have to write 9 here. Next 6. They have given 6. What you should write? 6 before 5. 6 after 7. Okay. Next they have given 2. You have to write 2 before what comes? What number will come? 1. You have to write 1 here. And 2 after 3. You have to write here 3. Okay. You have to do in your textbook, children. Next. Here. Tick the numbers that comes after the circle number. What you should do? You have to tick the numbers. For example, they have given 1. See here. 1, 2. Here they have circled. And after the circle number, you have to tick that numbers. You have to tick 3, 4, 5. These 3 numbers they have ticked. And here what you should do? 4, 5, 6, 7. They have given 4 numbers. Okay, here for first one they have circled, and here for 5 you have to tick, and 6 you have to tick, and 7 you have to tick. Okay. Next B. They have given 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which you should take after circle number? This is 6 is a, they have put circle for here. You have to tick for 7. Okay. Only for 7 you have to tick. Okay. Next C. They have given 6, 7, 8, 9. In this they have circled 7. Okay. For 8 and 9 you have to tick. Okay. You have to tick for 8 and 9. Okay, children. Look here, children. Here is an example. They have, in your picture you can see 3 vegetables. What are they? This one, what is this? Cabbage. And what is this? Brinjal. And what is this? Potato. There are 3 brinjal. 3 vegetables are there. In this, before, what is this? Brinjal. Brinjal before. This is cabbage. This is the before. This is at the center. This is the before. This cabbage is before the brinjal. Okay. Did you understood? Look at carefully, children. Next, in this picture, what you can see? Here is a brinjal, here is a cabbage, and here is a potato. Okay. What is after? After cabbage. After cabbage only potato is there. After cabbage only this potato is there. So look here, this is after. This is after and this is before. Brinjal is before the cabbage and potato is after the cabbage. In this picture, look here, children. In this picture they have given before, after and between. Okay. They have given before, after and between. Here is a brinjal, here is a cabbage and here is a potato. Before, look here, cabbage before, what vegetable is there? Yes, brinjal is here. And after cabbage, what vegetable is here? Yes, potato. This is potato. After cabbage, after what comes? Potato. And for this brinjal and potato, between which vegetable is here? Yes, cabbage. Cabbage is in between both of this brinjal and potato. Between cabbage is here. Okay, did you understand? Egg. Here is, look at this picture, children. Here there is an egg. What is this? Egg. And what is this? This is a chick. Chick. Okay. Then, and this one, what is this? Third picture. This is hen. Okay. You can see this, no? Egg, chick and hen. In this, which is before? Egg. Egg is before the chick. Egg is before the chick. And then hen. Hen is after the hen. Hen is after the chick. Hen is after the chick. And which is between? Chick is in the between. Egg is before, chick is between, and then hen is after. Okay? Did you understand, children? Look here, children. In this picture, you can see number 5. 5 is here. And 5 before? 5 before what number will come? 4. Okay? Here is a number 7. 7 before what number will come? 6. Okay? 6 will come. And what number is this? 9. 9 before what comes? 8. Okay? Here we are going to see after numbers. First, in previous picture we have seen before numbers. In this picture we see after. After number what comes? 10 after what comes? 11. Okay? 10 after 11. 5 after what number will come? 6. Here is a 6. 9 number. They have given 9. 9 after what number will come? Yes, 10. 10 will come. 9 after 10. And here is an example. Look here, children. What is this? These are shapes. What symbol is this? What is this? Star. And what is this? It's a triangle. And what is this? This is a rectangle shape. And what is this? This is a circle. Okay. The triangle is after the star. The triangle, which is the triangle here? This one. The triangle is after the star. Okay. And before. This is after the star. And star is before the triangle. Star is before the triangle. Between. Next, between. Which is between? Star and rectangle. These are both the sides. Between. This triangle is in between. In between. Okay. From these two, star and rectangle, this is the between. Okay, children. Here is some numbers. What number is this? 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. In this, 21 comes after 20. 21 comes after 20 only. After 20, 20 will come. Okay. Next, 24. Here is a 24. And 24 comes after 23. After 23 only 24 will come. Okay. This is after numbers. Okay. After 20, 21. After 23, 24. 24 will come. Okay. Next. Look at this picture, children. Here is 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Okay. Here 36 comes before 37. This number comes before 37. Okay. Next 38. 38. This number comes before 39. 39 is here, no? Before 38 will come. This number 39 before 38. Here is a number strip, children, number line here. In this, what comes after 13? After here is a number 0 to 20. Okay, 0 to 20 there is a number. Here, where is the number 13? Yes, it's here. And what question they has asked? What comes after 13? Here is a 13. I circled. And after this, what number will come? Yes, 14. 14 will come. Okay, here. After 18, what number will come, children? After 18, 19 will come. Okay. Next we are going to see numbers between. Okay. We are going to see numbers between. Study this number strips. First you look at the strips here. Numbers 0 to 9. They have given 0 to 9 numbers. Okay. In this, look here, children. 2 is the between. Look here. 2 is the between and 1 is before. And 3 is after. Which is the between here? Yes, 2. 2 is the between here. Next, 5. 5 is a between. And 4 is for 4 to 6. 4 and 6, they have 5 is the between. And 8. 8 is the between 7 and 9. In 7 and 9, 8 is the between. Next, 3. 3 and 4. 3 and 4 are the between numbers for 2 and 5. 3 and 4 are the between numbers for 2 and 5. Okay, these two are between. Okay, for 2 and 5. Here is an activity for you children. In textbook you have to do. Write the numbers that comes between the two given numbers. Okay, they have given two numbers. They have given in the middle between number you have to write by yourself. Okay, 3 and 4. Between what number will come? Yes, 4. You have to write here 4. Next, they have given 2 and 4. They have given 2 and 4. What number will come here? 3. You have to write here 3. Okay. Next, what number they have given? 1 and 3. They have given 1 and 3. What number which between comes? 2. You have to write here 2. And here, next, they have given 4 and 6. 4 and 6. Between what number will come? 5. You have to write here 5. Next, 0 and 2. They have given 0 and 2. Between what number will come? 1. You have to write here 1. 5 and 7. They have given 5 and 7. Between what number which should come? 6. Here 6 should come, children. Next, they have given 2 and 4. They have given 2 and 4. Between what number will come? 3. Here, they have given 7 and 9. Between number, what number will come? 8. You have to write here 8. Next, 6 and 8. They have given 6 and 8. Between what number it should come? Here 7. You have to write here 7. Next, write the numbers that comes between the two given numbers. They have given here, look at children, they have given 1 and 4. They have written in the middle what you should write. After 1 what number will come? 2. After 2, 3. Here you should write 3. Okay. Next, they have given 3 and 6. In the middle 2 digits you should only write. What number after 3 what number will come? 4. You have to write here 4. And then after 4, 5. You have to write here 5. Okay. Next, they have given 4. 4 and 8 they have given. At the middle 3 digits has come. So you have to write here 5, 6 and 7. Okay. 5, 6, 7. After this, they have given 5, then 9. 5 and 9 they have given. At the middle, what you should do? You should write 6. You have to write here 6, 7 and 8. Okay? Here, which is a between, children? 4 and 5. In this, which is a between? Can you see me? What comes before 5? What comes before 5? 4. Yes, it is a 4. Before 5, 4. Okay. For example, I have given an example for you children. 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Similarly, the number 87 is the between number. Okay, for 86 and 88, which is between? 87 is the between number. Did you understand? What number comes in between? Look here children, I have given this example for you itself. Okay, 26 dash 28. In between what number we should come? Yes, 27. Next, 34 dash 36. In between what number should come? 35. Next, 42 dash 44. What number should come here? 43. Here, what number should they have given? 47 dash 49. What number should come here? 48. In next, I have written and showed you picture. Okay, children. What number comes in between? 27. Here 35. Here 43 and 48. Okay. Did you understand? Between numbers. Thank you, children.